Hi, welcome to our project AI-based PPE Detection. In this project, we are going to learn about AI-based PPE detection. First, let us understand what PPE is. PPE stands for Personal Protective Equipment. In many industries, for workplace safety and compliance, PPE is a very essential part in many scenarios. Currently, chief security officers and managers are manually handling this responsibility of monitoring PPE compliance. So what we are going to do is, we are going to utilize cameras and use artificial intelligence to detect PPE in real time. For example, in industries, wearing safety helmets, wearing face masks, wearing gloves, and wearing safety shoes are essential. These safety elements must be followed, and this falls under safety compliance. During security audits, if anyone is not following PPE rules, it will result in a major penalty. Different industries have different PPE requirements. For example, in the food industry, gloves and caps are very important. In the chemical industry, face masks are very important. In construction or manufacturing industries, safety helmets are very important. So each industry follows different types of PPE rules. To make sure that all compliance rules are followed regularly in industries, we have developed a tailor-made solution for PPE detection. In this project, we use datasets collected across different PPE scenarios. Then, we use the YOLO V5 architecture to train a custom PPE detection model. After training, we perform inference to detect whether people are following PPE rules or not. If anyone is not following the PPE rules, the system will generate alerts. For the system interface, we use the Flask framework as the front end, and we use an SQL database to store all the data. This is the complete overview of the project. Thank you for watching.